It's a 60-second review of a fragrance C from the house of Marini Perfumes. It's an UAE based perfume house. I will put all the details in a description. Presentation is very simple as usual with a wooden cap and a good sprayer. If we talk about the notes, so as clear from the name C means it's an aquatic type of fragrance, but not like Aqua de Gia or Paco Rabanne Invictus or a Dolce Gabbana light blue. This fragrance literally memorizes you that you are sitting on the sea or you are on the beach. Some aquatic vibes, some salty vibe. You feel the smell of wet soil or the soil after the rain, how it smells. This fragrance is really unique concept with some aquatic fruity notes like grapefruits or orange, etc. This fragrance is available in 150 dirham at Marini stores for a 50 ml eau de parfum concentration, suitable for both male and female users. This fragrance is longer lasting, means as I experienced, this will stay on your cloth for 8 hours maximum, but still I think it's better. So go and grab it.